Well, let me try one more time here. Man. Whistling swans. That's what's up ahead right now, up above us. 4 of them. There we go. Let's see. Oh, geez. It's coming. Oh, man. Oh, geez. Yep, that's what it was. Oh, man. God. Oh, jeez. Man. Oh, crap. Damn it. Glad I got trash bag for this nasty thing. Damn. Whew. All right. Oh, gosh. Damn. Holy crap. That thing's like a freaking tent. Jeez. Good Lord. Man. Nasty damn thing. God. Jeez. Oh, come on, guys. I gotta get you back in the water. Let's see if I can get them little fellas back in the water. There you go, little guys. Sorry. Come here. Come here, buddies. Come on, guys. Let's get you back in the water. They're probably pissed off because I took their home. Good night. Oh, man. Little crab here. Come on, buddy. Get you back in, too. Sorry, buddy. Man, there's all kind of crabs on here. Shoot. Come on, buddy. I don't want you to dry up and die out here. Come on, little one. Oh, man. Well, you're a big one here. Come here, buddy. Come on. Come here. Come on. Come on. Come on, dummy, get out of there. Trying to save you. Try to cut some of this stuff off of here. Jeez. God. Oh man, this thing's nasty. Yeah, it's been down there a while. All that nylon's coming apart. Jeez. Ugh.